All right, so today we're going to take a look at a real world example of time value of money in an option. So we're going to use our basic call option pricing formula, and we're going to look at Amazon stock to figure out, to demonstrate a real world example of time value of money. So currently we see that Amazon is selling for $3,247.68. So we go over to the whiteboard, and what we're going to use is this handy formula for the value of a call option. We're going to say it's equal to the max of the stock price less the strike price, or 0. So it can't be negative, but more or less we know that the value is going to be the difference between the stock price and the strike price. So the current price for Amazon is equal to $3,247.68. So if we go back to the market and we check out an in the money call option, so we've got call options here for July 2nd, 2021. It's currently May 20th, so we have over a month until these expire. Let's look at this $3,140 strike price. So if we go back to our formula, we should be able to calculate the value of this call option. We should be able to say that with a strike price equal to 3,140, we should be able to say that the call is equal to 3,247.68 minus 3,140. So what do we have here? The 3,000s cancel. We have 247 minus 140. This is just going to be $107.68. So this should be the price for our option that we see in the market. So let's go back and check that. So here we have our bid and our ask. We have a bid of, for the same call option, a bid of 172 and an ask of 181.35. So if we split the difference, we can basically just average those two. And if we were to try to fill this order, that's essentially the price that we're likely to get. So it's going to be about $176.5, something like that. So we don't really need to be too exact. We have a really good idea of what the actual option value is here. So we won't worry too much about the details. So actual option value equals per share 100. I'm losing my an actual value of $176 and about 68 cents. So why is there a difference between these two? Why is there about a $70 difference between these two? Well, a total option value is made up of time value, which is what we just calculated there as the difference, plus intrinsic value. If we add these two components together, we're going to get total option value. So what exactly is time value? Time value is more or less the chance that something more could happen between now and expiration. So the more the stock could potentially move, the more we have a need to either hedge the position or the more we could potentially make by speculating on it. So the longer the time is, the more things could happen. The higher the volatility is, the more that could happen. Those both increase the time value of a call option. And that's why the actual intrinsic value is never equal to total option value until the very expiration of the option itself.